Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you another way to set up your hangboard in your doorway. This is a hangboard setup that I built to hang on a pull-up bar. I live in an apartment and can't put holes in the wall, and this particular design was my first try at hanging the board instead. The hangboard is attached to an iron gym pull-up bar using 4 75-pound limit ceiling hooks. This is a total of 300 pounds that can be supported. The pull-up bar has a limit of 250 pounds, so the setup should be safe enough. The wood is a 2x9 cut to 34 inches. This is the width of my door frame, so the hangboard mount can rest against the door frame while I use it. First, you will want to mark all the holes that you need to drill. You can use your hangboard to mark the holes for drilling. I used a drill bit and a mallet to mark the locations where I needed to drill. I also ended up using the hangboard to guide my actual drilling as well. Next, you'll want to mark where you'll drill holes for the hooks. Make sure the hook locations are compatible with your pull-up bar by using the bar as a reference. After drilling, you can attach your hangboard to the mounting board. Hand tight should be good enough, depending on how many screws are holding in your board. Next, you can attach the hooks to your mounting board. The hooks are going to need some adjusting later for a level and flush fit, so don't worry about getting it perfect right now. You'll want to hang your board on your pull-up bar and see how the board sits. It will take some adjusting to get the hooks to all sit flush on the board and keep your hangboard level. Level is great, and you can get the board pretty close to level, but most important will be having all of the hooks in contact with your pull-up bar without you hanging on the board. You may have noticed I wrapped electrical tape around the edges of my hangboard mount. This made it look a little nicer and provides some extra protection to my door frame. Just a word of warning with modifying your iron gym. Be aware that you are hanging on the pull-up bar differently than intended, and should keep that in mind with how much weight you put on the hangboard. I hope you found this useful and instructive. Check out my other doorway hangboard video for a different method for mounting a hangboard to a pull-up bar. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below.